Assalamu alaikum. This is Zainul Abidin and you are watching Geeks of IT. In this video lecture, I will guide you how to use Messenger Room on your mobile and PC. Messenger Room is a new product launched by Facebook recently and now it's available in Pakistan to hang out with your favorite people on video chat. Using Room, a participant don't need to have Facebook account. They can join open room with a link. You can invite up to 50 people to your room. There is no time limit in Messenger Room. Your room, your rules. You can add and remove people anytime you want to your room. And lastly, you can invite all your friends and family from WhatsApp, Instagram, and Portal. To record your room on your Android phone, open your Facebook account and from the news feed, click on the camera with the plus sign. Click create. From here, select the first activity, the room activity. Select the type of activity that you want to perform in the room. If your desired activity is not in the list, click on Name. From here, choose an emoji. Click on Save. Name your activity. Click on Save. You can invite your friends to your room by clicking on Who is invited. If you want to invite all friends, click on Friends. If you want to invite specific people, click on Specific People. And from here, select the friends that you want to join your room. Click on Invite. You can also skip if you want your friends to join your room using a link, and keep the link sharing on if you want them to join your room using the link. If you keep the link sharing off, they will not be able to join your room. And link sharing is useful when your friend don't have Facebook account. You can schedule your room time. Click on the start time. And from here you can schedule your room anytime you want. You can schedule your room instantly. Click save. Click on create room. You can also invite your friends to your room. From here, click on invite. And from here you can send a message to your friends. You can also share your room activity on your profile so that people will see your post and join your room from there. Write anything about your room. Select the people that will see your post. You can make it public or you can share it with specific friends. Click on post. You can also edit your room activity if you want to edit. Click on edit, and from here you can edit your room activity, the people that are invited to your room, and also the timing of your messenger room. If you want your friends to join your room using the link, copy the link and share the link with your friends, and your friends will be able to join your room without Facebook account. When they click on the link, they will be redirected to this page. Click on join room, and when you are in the room, you can see who are in the room by clicking on the people icon. From here you can see the list of your friends that are in the room. In this case, there is no one in my room. You can also lock the room if you don't want anyone to join the room. From settings, or you can remove your friends from your room. You can enable and disable your mic and your webcam during the room. If you want to leave the room, you can leave the room anytime you want. When you create room, your friends will see your room activity on their newsfeed, and also if you share a post with them, they can join your room from their newsfeed clicking on the join, and they can also join by clicking on the join on your post. To end the room, click on your profile picture and click end room. To create messenger room on your laptop or PC, follow the steps that we have performed for Android phone. All the steps are similar to that, and there is one extra feature in the desktop version of messenger room, and that is and you can share your screen with your friends using messenger room. You can share your entire screen with your friends. If you want to share a specific application window, you can share that. Select the application window that you want to share with your friends. You can also share your Google Chrome tabs or your web browser with your friends. And that's all for today's video. For more videos and update, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.